questing for a rooftop since a very long time. We are here today from a new place with a बहुत hard combo offer. Let's take a look. क्या करेंगे ना, थोड़ा सा टिल्ट होके बैठेंगे. बहुत hard जगह है ना, थोड़ा सा टपोरी स्टाइल में ऐसे करके करेंगे. Alright guys, we have our first combo over here ready. This is a $4.99 barbecue combo. You get a french fry, you get some chicken kebabs, you get some custard, 2 drinks, as well as there's also hookah, shisha. But since I don't pull, I'm not showing that on camera. But when you come, you'll get a shisha as well. And all of this is going to be priced at 499 rupees only. So I'll be trying out these items, and the timing for this particular offer is going to be from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's going to be available rooftop as well as downstairs, and it's going to be available all days. So even on weekends, you guys can come and enjoy this offer. Both hard. You also get 2 drinks with this, 2 soft drinks. So it's shareable between 2 people. It's a pretty decent offer. Of course, you're not going to get the best of kebabs, the best of fries, etc. You won't get mocktails, etc. because it comes at only 500 rupees. So you need to keep that in mind. If you're looking for budgeted places, enjoying a good ambience and kind of filling up your stomach with a little bit of snacks and drinks and shisha, I think this is a steal deal for you, especially during the festive season. We did a combo button and food fries here. Of course, we're going to be showing you some a la carte items as well. So we're going to be trying out some of the signature starters as well as main course as well as desserts, and then we're going to be ending it on a very special note. A special barbecue platter for you guys, but that's going to be towards the end. Stay tuned for that. Right now we have a vegetarian starter over here, which is a sabudana starter. That's what it looks like. তোমরা যাই করো, no matter what combos you try, a la carte ব্যাপারটা totally আলাদা হয়. A la carte is always going to be special, which is why we love trying out a la carte even when we personally walk into places, because when you want to know the actual essence, the main taste of a place, it's only going to be at a la carte. Normally when you associate a blue drink, it's going to be a little fizzy, etc. But this is a more creamier version of it. It's not bad at all. If you like creamy drinks, this one is going to be for you. Okay, we have our final 2 starters. We have a fish tikka as well as an Assamese chicken. Let's try both. This looks like a very spicy preparation. I'm very excited to have this with the pita bread. Spicy indeed. Very tangy. Not sure why there's pita bread. If it's to fill your stomach, then that's very good. But I think if you're going to be enjoying this by itself without anything by the side. Next, let's try some fish tikka. It tastes decent, but the fish doesn't seem very fresh. Of the 3 starters which I've had, I personally loved the vegetarian starter the most. The sabudana was amazing. This chicken is pretty unique. You can try. Fish, not so much. You can avoid it. Okay, Aman, Orgo, Ankita, कैमन एक्सपीरियंस तुम्हारे बोलो आप बता तो. अमन कैसा चल रहा है?
अभी तक फिलहाल अच्छा चल रहा है. Assamese chicken बहुत अच्छा था, and also the sabudana vada was very nice.
Orgo and Ankita, first look কেমন?
অ্যাম্বিয়েন্স খুব ভালো লেগেছে আমার এখানে. খুব ভালো ভিউ খুব ভালো ভিউজ এখান থেকে দেখা যাচ্ছে. স্টার্টারের মধ্যে আমারও ভেজটা খুব ভালো লেগেছে. সাবুদানা ওয়াজ ভেরি গুড, অ্যান্ড এখন আসামিস চিকেন নাইস.
Orgo, what about you?
অ্যাম্বিয়েন্সটা খুবই ভালো, কিন্তু আমি
রিপিট কর সবাই.
রাতের বেলাটার জন্য আমি ওয়েট করছি. নাইট ভিউটা আর স্টার্টার্সের মধ্যে আমার যে কটা এখন অবধি খেলাম তার মধ্যে ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাইসটা আপাতত ভালো লেগেছে.
নাইস.
ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাইসটাই ভালো. অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাইসটা খুব ভালো লাগে.
Okay, it's time now to have our first main course. We're having some grilled prawns, right?
Like some green prawns.
So the grilled prawn comes with a side of sorted vegetables, some rice, and a lot of lemon butter, which I've shown you. Just look at the size of each of these prawns. You get 4 of them, and it is massive, of course. Guys, কেমন এক্সপিরিয়েন্স এখন তোমাদের নাইট ভিশনে? আমান, স্বর্গ, অঙ্কিতা।
এক্সপিরিয়েন্স তো খুবই ভালো এখনো পর্যন্ত। আর খাবারের মধ্যে আমার প্রনস খুব ভালো লেগেছে। প্রনসের এখনো পর্যন্ত 2টা আইটেম খেয়েছি, দুটোই ওয়াজ সো গুড।
অর্ঘ?
নাইট অ্যাম্বিয়েন্স ভালো, মিউজিক লাউড। মেন কোর্সের মধ্যে প্রনটা, এই ডিশটা ভালো, নামটা আমি বলতে পারছি না।
अमन तुम बताओ कैसा था?
म्यूजिक और एम्बियंस दोनों बहुत अच्छा है, और ग्रिल्ड प्रॉन्स और गोवन करी मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा मेन कोर्स में।
Okay, dessert time, and we have a now deconstructed panna cotta with a lot of fresh strawberries. Tastes good. Right, we have the final item right now. We have the tandoori platter. So you have pineapples, fish, as well as chicken. When I heard pineapple, I got very excited. Very juicy. Normally, যখন আমরা tandoor pineapple খাই, it's very hard. It doesn't have a lot of juice. This is a fresh piece, a solid piece, solid chunk of pineapple, which is extremely juicy. Next up, we have a fish. Tandoori fish. I think the previous items which we had, the fishes weren't that well good, especially the Goan, but this one is very nice. Final item is the chicken. Chicken items over here are not very good. It's a part of the entire platter. You can try this. I started this entire video with a combo which you can try. Of course, the chicken starter in the combo wasn't good, but when you're going for budgeted options, obviously you won't get the a la carte taste. But apart from that, whatever little a la carte items we tried, the starters as well as the main courses, they were amazing. It is a pretty reasonable option. The ambience is very good, the food is very good. It's a new place you can try out, especially during this festive winter season. If you haven't tried out Bahut Hard yet, it is right there at Topshia. Come visit it during this Christmas, this New Year's. Until next time, this is Foodspur wrapping up from Topshia. Cheers.
हेलो अंकल, नमस्ते। चलो काम की बात पे आते हैं। अब आप ये पूछेंगे कि आप कितने पैसे कमाते हैं। अब जितना आपकी बेटी एक महीने में उड़ाती है, एक हफ्ते में मेरी गाड़ी उतना तेल खाती है घर, है पैसा, है गाड़ी। आप 2 जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो, लड़की हुई हमारी। अंकल घर है पैसा है गाड़ी। आप 2 जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो, लड़की हुई हमारी। ओके बाय।